Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your glass stove. If you have this product, go ahead and return it or throw it away and just get you a sanding sponge like you see me holding right here. This one is a little worn down because I was using it to clean off my walls. Since this was my first time trying this out, I was going pretty lightly because I didn't want for the sanding sponge to damage the stove. To be all honest with you all, I went back in with a brand new sponge and it worked wonders.
Is it moving? Wow. Way easier than using that little knife.
Now I'm just going in with a wet cloth.
Keep the deposit who?
I went back over it with a
Should've
dry
took a
cloth
before
to
and
make
after.
sure it was clean, and voila, this is the finished product. It looks brand new to me. I hope this works. I was able to get my deposit back, and I hope for whichever reason you're trying to clean your glass stove for, it works for you.